Yeah. Today we are going to look at Microsoft Office Word. So let me open it. Click on the start menu and I will look for this is Word. Click on it. So this is Word Office 2019. Okay. Then I'll click on New Document. Blank document. So this is the interface of Microsoft Office Word 2019. So we have the File tab, the Home tab, Insert, Design, Layout, Reference, Mailing, Review, View, Help. Tell me what you want to do. All right. So by default, it is under the Home tab. And under the Home tab, we have a lot of things to do. Let's come to the clipboard. Under the clipboard, we have the format painter. We have the paste, copy, and cut. Copy, cut. As you can see, the copy and the cut is not active. So it's not active because we have not selected or type and select anything to be copied. So to make it active, let me just type welcome. So the type of welcome is, I'll just highlight it like this. As we can see, the cut and the copy is now active. So if you want to copy, you click on copy. So then you can click on paste. As you can see, it has pasted. Then let's look at the cut. The cut, when you cut means you take it all completely like this cut. So then you can paste it. So and you add right. Welcome to KTU Practical Computing. So let's see how we can practical. Let's see. All right. Computing. All right. Let me ignore it. So when you are typing in Microsoft Word and it is underlining, it means the word is not either not correct or it can be found in the dictionary. So I mean, this Microsoft Word is having its own dictionary. So if it does not recognize a word, then it will underline the word. And if you also like this, let me come. You see, we come. Don't you see that it has underlined red? So it means the word is wrong. So when you just like this, so autocorrect option, you see. So undo autocorrect, undo automatic capitalization. So this one, if you want a word to start automatic at the beginning, and if you want to stop it, you can stop it so that it will not capitalize each word at the beginning. All right. So this one, if you want to call, you can just right click on it. You see options, then you choose that welcome. Then if you want to say we can, then you click on we can. Then you see it has given a space. So this is single space. Let me do another space. And you see it is underlined with double blue, meaning we have given double space. So to take it off, you can either right click on it and do this, or you can just click and or you can just click on the backspace and it will be done. So let's look at how to increase the size of your text, how to make it bold, and how to make it italic. You can either strike through, you can change the color, and there's a lot of things that you need to know. So like this, let me copy this thing again. So click on copy, or you can use Control plus C to copy. Control plus C to copy. Control plus X to cut, and Control plus V to paste. So I Control V, that's pasted. I'll paste it again and paste it again. So the first one, we are going to increase the size of the first one. Then we change the font style of the second one. So let's see. This one, you highlight it. Before you can make changes to anything in a word, you have to highlight it. So as you can see, you can come to the foot. So you see the body. So you can click on it. You have different font styles. And this one is the size. So you can click on it. So let's increase the size to see the size. Okay, let's increase it. Let's make it 28. So this one too. Let's change the. So we are changing the font style, like or the font style. So let's increase it. You can use this one to increase font size. So as you are clicking on it, it will be increasing. Now we have seen. So this one too, we can change another font. Times New Roman. So change it to, so let's increase the size too. I hope you are seeing the difference in the font. So let's make this one italic. So let's see how it is. So let's look at the fourth one. So we increase the size. All right. So we'll make this one bold. So let's change the size of the font. So it's area black. Area. So there are still a lot of fonts. Choose. You see? So let me choose banner. The banner empty. So this is what you can do. You can also underline. Let's underline the first one. Assuming you are going to type a heading topic that you want to underline it. So you just highlight it, then you click on the underline, or you can just press Ctrl+U to underline it. So we have been seeing some texts, and it will be like they have cancelled it. That is what we call the strike through. So let me use the third one. Just highlight it. If you want to do it like that, to strike through, then you just click on strike through and it will come. So like this one too. This one, I hope you have seen it. So this is the subscript. Like if I want to, let me put 22. So I want the 22 to be subscript. So I'll select only the 22 like this. Then I'll click on the subscript and you see that it has gone down. And if I want it to be a superscript, then I'll click on superscript. You have seen. So it's over there. So then this one is the text effects. So if you want like this one, let's look at how the text effects works. Like this, the text effect. Let's just click on it. You see how the text effects are. This one with their names. I hope you have seen the way the things are. Like this one. So let me add text effect to text effect. This one. This one. This one. I hope you have seen. See, so if you want to make your web beautiful, make your text very beautiful like this, then you can use the text what effects. So all these ones under the font. So let me go down. Stop. So let's now come to text highlight color. Text highlight color like this one. If you highlight it like this, so I will see. When you highlight, you see the color which is there. So if you want, anytime you want to highlight and the color should be black, blue, any color, then you can change it like this. It's blue, like this. But by default is this one, the gray color. So if you want, you can change the color to any color that you want. So that like this one, red. You see it has selected, it has changed to the highlight, has changed to red. So okay. I hope you are getting it. Assuming you have some word, then you want to highlight certain words. So maybe to like you can use red to indicate that this word is danger, something like that. So you can just choose red like this, and it will be there. That's how it is. So you can press Ctrl plus Z to undo. So this one, let's increase the size so that you can see it clear. So see it clear. See it. So, and this one too. Let's look at this one. If you want to clear the font like this, we want to send it back to the default font. I hope it's not small. You've seen it. It will go back to the default font of 11. So that's how it works. And this one is the font color. That is the font color. You want to give the color to the font like this one. It's red, so by default it's black. So you can choose red, yellow, blue, green. If you want your text to be any color, you can just choose it here. So it's black. So this is now blue. So it depends on what color you want. You can choose. So let's look at another paragraph. Another paragraph. So the paragraph we have see the alignment. So align to the left hand side, align to the right. Okay, this one is the center. This is right, and this is justify. We want everything to be in line, like the same way this thing is. I hope you are seeing it. Everything, both left and right, will be on the same line. So let me demonstrate it. And so this one, by default, the alignment is left, is aligned to the left hand side. So when you want to align it to the right hand side, you just select it like this. Then you click on align right. You can see it has moved to the right hand side. The arrangement, it will start arranging from the left, from the right hand side. So if it is aligned to the left hand side, the arrangement will start from the left hand side. If it is center, the arrangement will start from center. And if it is justified, the arrangement justify low, justify. So you can just be justify so that both sides will be equal. So to start arrangement from both left and the right hand side. So, and this one is the bullet. Like I want to put bullets, just click on it. You see this one. Now you are seeing it. Or you use this, you use this, you use this, or you use this. Anyone, I hope you are seeing all these things in books. So these things, if you want to also use it in your Word, you can click on the bulletin and you choose the one you want to use. And also, if you want to use number, so this one is numbering library. So you can choose like this one to start numbering from 1, 2, 3. So this one is Roman numbers. This is ABC. I hope you are seeing all these things in books. You want to number it from the couple small letters, Roman numbers, small letters, alphabet, small letters. So you can choose in. So this one too is there. The current, that is the, if you want to use any of these ones, then you can just choose it. So this are the borders. If you want to put a border in your document, you want to put a border. So we see want to put a border inside your document. You can put it, maybe this one. Let me see. You highlight this one, then you click on the border. You want all sizes. So you have got it. See. But this is not how we insert tables in our document. So when we get to where inserting tables are, you see how different it is. So just how you want to, you just want to put the border in a second. That. This one is just a watch and click. You just watch and you click. And this one is shading. You change the color behind the selected text, paragraph, or table cell. So this is especially useful when you want information to jump off the page. So let's see. So this one too, the format printer. You see, if I want to see this, please, let me do it and see. Yeah. This. So black. Okay. Move it no color. Yeah, move it no color. Oh, seen it. That is what I wanted to do. I just copy this one and I'll apply it to this. Let me do it again. Like this. Welcome to P2 Practical Computing. So the phone style, all the formatting we've done to this one. Then we just want to copy it at once, then we apply it to this one. Let me do this one. So we just what you have to select it. Select it like this. Then you click on format printer. Then you come here and you print this one. And we see. So it will just copy all the formatting, the text, style, font, size, everything. To just copy it and apply it to the other one, as you can see. So this one is just the stars in your document. See, as you can see, this is normal star. A, B, C, D star. A, B, what and what. This one too. This one. This one too. So I choose any heading. You see heading 4. See small. So let's just go back to normal. So by default it's normal. So this is so this place to you can replace Word. It's very interesting. Microsoft Word is very interesting. Search for text you like to change and replace it with something else. So assuming I want to replace 2 to 2. And as you can see, the 2 is mean I can't just go around and be changing it like that. So I can use the replace to do that, like this one. So I want to find TO. Then I'll replace it with 2. So I hope you have seen. So all TO has been changed. All in the document. I click on replace all. So as you can see, the TO it has changed to 2. All in all documents, it has changed. So assuming you made a mistake, then you spell something wrong at the beginning, and the document is too plenty. And you can go around and change everything. So you can use the replace one, then you can change the spelling and it will reflect all over in the document. So that is, and you can also select, select all. You want to select all the documents. Okay, just use this one to say, or you can even use Control plus A. Control plus A to select all. And you can use find to search for any word you are looking for. You can use find to search for. And so it will highlight all the words you are looking for. To highlight it, welcome. Let me say welcome. Let me see. That's welcome, 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 welcome. To highlight all the welcomes here. So this is what I have to do under this home tab. We have a lot to do. So let me move to the insert tab. So this is the insert tab. You have the cover page, blank page, page breaks, pivots, pictures, outline, shapes, icons, handy models, smart ads, screenshots, charts, and a lot. So cover page. You want a cover page. Just click on it. You see different cover pages. See different cover page. Let me just click on this one. So this is your cover page. So you just come to the first, because the cover page is supposed to be on. So this is what we will run on. This is the cover page. And the blank page, if you want to add a blank page, and just click on it to add page break. So this page break is if you want to end the current page here and move to the next page, then you use this one. Tables, if you want to insert tables, so as I was saying, you want to insert it, just click on it. Then you look at the number of rows and columns you want. If you want a number 2 rows, 2 columns, 3 rows. So you want 3 rows, 2 columns, 3 columns. Depends on what you want. And you can insert a table. You can insert a table. Insert a table. You want. Okay. You can insert. You can reduce it. So you can increase it like this. So it's all under the insert tab. So picture, this one picture, you can insert a picture. If you want a picture in your document, you can insert a picture by just clicking on the picture. So like this. Right. Yeah. So if you want to insert the picture, you can just insert the picture. You can Also make this picture small. So it depends on how you want the picture to be. You can also take the picture to the design. Format the picture. So want to insert a picture. That's how you do. Now we want to insert shapes. Shapes. Outline pictures. Find and insert pictures from the variety of online sources. So if you want to do that, you just click on it. Online pictures. If you want to get pictures from online and insert it into your document. Then this one, shapes. You want to insert shapes. See, there are a lot of shapes inside that you can use. If you want to insert a rectangle, just click on rectangle. And so this is a rectangle. So as you can see, the rectangle has been covered with blue. If you want to change it to black, you see. Want to change it to none, just go like this. Just a rectangle, change it to white. And the format, formatting to it. Different ones. So let me go back to insert again. So screenshot charts, if you want to insert charts. So these are the charts. If you want to insert, you can just do that. So, and a lot of things, online videos, if you just want to insert page numbering, header, footer, and a lot of things are all over here. If you want to just do, you see this one, text box, or you want to insert anything, just make sure you watch it, then you click to be done for you. So this one is the design interface tab. And we have a lot of different design title. This document style, the style of the document sets. You can save this document current style sets and use it in another document by right clicking what and what. So if you want to do anything under the design tab, the watermark, like if you want anything to be under strictly using. So if I want to say this document is just as we have been seeing in some documents, see it's under confidential, like this one. This document is confidential, do not copy. So you can even decide to type your own thing, like confidential. Obviously, I hope you are seeing the watermark under. So page color. So all these things. See the page color. If you want to change the color, you can choose any color you want for the page. If you want to keep it over, that's confident. As you can see, that's so to blue. So to blue. So all the tabs has its own functions. So the layout, if no margins, you want to increase and decrease the margins. To set the margin size for the entire document or the current section. Then the orientation. If your page a portrait or a landscape layout, the size, You choose page size, choose a paper size for your document, columns. You split your text into 2 or more columns. Like if you want this document, you want it to be 2 or more columns. Let me move to the next one to demonstrate it, so that the height will be okay. So this place, I want to split it into 2 as well. So into two or more columns. So you can choose either 2, 1, 2, or 3. So, or left or right. So let me see. I hope you have seen the way. Letting us say 1, 2. That's into 1, 2, 3 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So if you want it to be 2 columns, and we select 2. So now 1, 2. So that's how it is. And then we go back to size. So it depends on the what size you want your document to be. Size 1. So it's this one. So references. If you want to make references to your document, like the table of contents, if you want to make a table of contents, just click on the table of contents. So you provide an overview of your document by adding a table of contents. Text using a heading star will be included automatically to include more entries, read the text. And so when you are doing your document, you make sure all the topics you want to include in your table of contents, to make it a heading. Make it a heading, so that when you are going to take your table of content, you can just use select it to automatically take it. It will automatically include it in the text, the table of contents. So add text. Include the document heading in the table of contents. So update table if you have made changes to your document and you want to update it into your table of content, just click on update to be updated. This one to footnote, note, all these things, and so you can just insert the footnote. This is so the footnote. Sorry. So you can increase the increase the size you want. So, here citations, and all sort of blah 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 things are here. So as far as you can just play with it and do what you want to do. So this one to mailing, start mail merger. So with the mail merger, you can create one document and send it to multiple people. So here, that's why you select recipients. So review. So spelling and grammar. The typos not on our watch. Let us check your spelling and grammar. That's why you are typing when you type something wrong to check and give you the suggested corrections for you to do. So word count, all these things are there. So you can just go through all these things and see. So view, so read mode, print mode, work mode, all these things are the type of view that you want. Learning tools, vertical side, pattern, what all these things you can just click on it and you are done. So if you want help to use there, then just click there. Okay. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.